Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to the channel. At the western entrance to Kootenay National Park, travelers pass through the dramatic rock walls of Sinclair Canyon. This narrow canyon forms a natural gateway into the Canadian Rockies, where towering cliffs rise sharply on both sides of the road. The canyon was carved over thousands of years by Sinclair Creek, whose flowing water slowly cut through layers of ancient limestone and dolomite rock, shaping the steep walls seen today. The canyon is named after Sinclair Creek, which itself was named for explorer and fur trader James Sinclair. In the mid-1800s, Sinclair helped guide groups of settlers and traders across the Rocky Mountains along routes used long before by indigenous peoples. These mountain passes were important travel corridors linking the interior of present-day British Columbia with the Western Plains. Despite its location along a major highway, Sinclair Canyon remains an active natural landscape. The steep cliffs are home to wildlife such as bighorn sheep, which are often seen navigating the rocky slopes with remarkable ease. The canyon's striking red and gray rock layers also tell a geological story that stretches back hundreds of millions of years, offering a glimpse into the ancient forces that shaped the Canadian Rockies. Today, Sinclair Canyon stands as both a scenic landmark and a symbolic entrance to one of Canada's most beautiful national parks. Whether visitors are stopping to admire the towering cliffs or simply passing through on their journey into the mountains, the canyon provides a memorable introduction to the rugged landscapes and natural history of Kootenay National Park.
Thanks for watching!